Hello friends, today in this video we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. First, learn. I learn my lesson. Second, read. I am reading Gita. 3. Prepare. Radha does not prepare the tea. Number 4. Beat. The teacher does not beat the student. Number 5. Punish. I punish him every day. Number 6. Help. They help the poor. Number 7. Earn. We earn money daily. Number 8. Drink. They did not drink alcohol. Number 9. Cook. They cook the food daily. Number 10. Teach. They does not teach Hindi. They does not teach Hindi. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.